Good day to all employer in Hong Kong. I am Riza M. Branyo from Etiague, Isabela, Philippines. I am 27 years old and I am high school graduate. I can do wash clothes, wash dishes, clean the house and other household courses, and I can do also taking care of a children. I had my past experience in toddlers before, and I also learned from my own experience as a mother. I am hardworking, trustworthy, and kind person, and I can also speak in English. In case you are wondering who will take care of my children, I decided to leave my child to my mother and to my husband. I know it is hard to work away from them, but I need to sacrifice to earn money, to support my family financially, and to provide them for a better future. I am very much willing to get this job and render my service. I really need this job for my family. Our life here in the Philippines was not that good, and as a mother who will do anything just to give them the best for our family, I am looking forward to work with you, my future employer. God bless and thank you.